So I'm going to show you how to fix the loading issue. Make sure to follow my methods. For the first step, you should go to the Windows search bar, type in settings. Now once you're here, go to the left menu and select Windows Update. After that, make sure to download and install all available updates you will find. If you do have failed updates, you should select retry all. Otherwise, you should go to the advanced options. You should go to update history, scroll down, and then select uninstall updates. Make sure to uninstall the latest one. After that, go back and select recovery. Select reinstall now. Now for the next method, go to the search and type in device manager. Once it opens, you need to look for the display adapters right here. Select this side arrow. After that, you need to click on your graphics card. Select the NVIDIA or AMD one. Right click and select update driver. Now click the first option. After that, select close. For the next method, go to the search again. Type in NVIDIA or AMD depending on your graphics card. Select the NVIDIA app. If you can't find it, you can just download it from their official website. Make sure to sign up with an account. After that, go to the left menu and select drivers, and you just need to click on install. Now click on custom or express installation, leave it as default if you want, and click on continue in order to update your graphics card. For the next method, you should go to the upside arrow located in the Windows taskbar, and then select the launcher that you have the game on. I have it on Steam, for example, so right click and then select exit Steam. After that, go to the taskbar, right click and select task manager. Now search for the launcher. If you still find it appearing, make sure to select it, right click and select in task. That way you ensure that the launcher is not running anymore in order to correct any issue that was happening before. Wait for a couple of moments. After that, go back and open the launcher once again. You will be redirected to the store, so go to your library and select collections. In the left menu, search for your game. For example, this one. Now select the manage option and then click on properties. After that, go to launch options right here and type this command -dx11. After that, go to installed files in the left menu and click on verify integrity of game files. When clicking that, it will automatically start by verifying the original game files and will recover or correct any corrupted file or missing file from the system. Just wait for the process to finish. After that, close everything. You can try relaunching the game, and if it's still not working, go to the Windows icon and make sure to restart your computer and you can try again. If you do find this video is helpful, consider like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.